Hey guys, this is Amjaved with another tutorial whether how we can create and manage collections on Redbubble. Well, creating collections on Redbubble is a great way to get attention of the potential visitors. As they get the relevant designs on the products they are interested in to make a purchase of. In this way, you not only see an increase in your sales, but also they become your loyal customers. Anyhow, here you can see that I have only 2 collections in my Redbubble store so far. And before creating a new one, let's see the Redbubble article on creating and managing collections, where we can read more about creating and managing collections. And the 2 important points I want to share with you are that Redbubble allows to have 30 collections per profile, and you can add up to 100 designs in one collection. And the second point is that Redbubble is not allowed to make a collection private so far, which means any design you will add to a collection will go public right away. Anyhow, let's go back and select Manage Portfolio under Account to create collections. Here are the designs I have uploaded so far, and when you click on Collections button, you will be able to see all the created collections. Anyhow, to create collections, either you can select random designs or you can select the related designs you want to make a collection of. And as soon as you will select a design, a new toolbar will appear. And after selecting your concerned designs, click on Collections and write the name of your collection. And then click on the plus sign to add it to the list. And then select it and click on the Add button to add the designs into that collection. And here you can see that Redbubble is letting you know that your designs have been added to your collection. Now click on the Collections button, and here you can see that a new collection has been created, which you also can see on your shop by refreshing the page. Now let's click on the gear icon to edit it. Here you can change its name and add description. Well, to save time, I have already created a short description and some general keywords related to that collection. And after writing your description, click on Update Collection. And here you can see that Redbubble is letting you know that the maximum length of the description should be 200 characters. So adjust your description accordingly. And it's okay if you don't want to add the description. But it's always a good idea to add some, as it will help your designs to show up in the search. Anyhow, here you can see that this design is being shown as the cover image of the collection. And if you want to change it, just click on the gear icon of the design you want to show as cover image and select Set as Collection Cover. And then refresh your shop page, and here you can see that the cover image has been changed. And if you want to remove a design from your collection, you can remove it by selecting the Remove from Collection option under the gear icon. Well, if you want to rearrange your collections on your shop, you sure can. Just go to your collections again and drag a collection to change its position. And here you can see that it's been rearranged. And if you want to delete a collection, just click on the gear icon and select Delete. Or you can select the collection first and then click here to delete it. And here you can see that it's been deleted from the shop. Well, if one of your collections is doing well, You can make it prominent by showing it as a featured collection on your shop. So to show a collection as a featured collection, select account settings under your account. And then select shop settings. And here, click on the choose collection field drop down and select the one you want to show as a featured collection on your shop. And then click on the save settings button. And here you can see that it's been shown as a featured collection. And when you will refresh the page, it will show all the designs you have added to this collection. Anyhow, it's just a matter of preference whether you want to show your certain designs in a collection or not to increase your sales. But in my opinion, it's better to have one where you can show your best designs. And this is how you can create and manage your collections on Redbubble. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.